What is it?
Violet stuff that came out of a hole.
Aw, we're just placing people, leaving them homeless.
Hey, this is... I'd recommend taking a change of address.
They're mean, though. They bite. There's a possum in the tree. Brief slowdown. Need a solution. Uh-oh. I don't think it's going to go well for the possum. That will upset me. Now he's trying to strap up the tree and avoid being bitten by the possum that's in it. They're hoping to lay the tree piece down gently enough the possum will jump out of it. I'm not going to watch. Taking off the next big chunk. Just crazy. Ooh, the tree's going to break off. Big chunk of tree. Thoroughly dead on the top. And now it's swinging in the air. Crazy. And hopefully a possum will pop out at some point and run away safe. The possum is running out that way. Oh dear. I hope he goes somewhere safe. Poor guy. And there's the big piece of tree, minus the possum. He ran all the way across the street. Train operators really good at this. There's a bunch of brush, including some that was here already. It would be really hard for us to get all the yards, so very nice bonus. Wow. Oh. There goes the stump. Crazy. Guys are really good at it. I really wouldn't want to do it. It's impressive.